டாக்டர் ஸ்ரீவர்மாஸ் வெல்னஸ் அனைத்து நோய்களுக்குமான ஆயுர்வேத மருத்துவம் தமிழகம் எங்கும். For appointments 99942441 and 99942116.
No, I'm really happy. In Traders Union, they have passed a resolution for total prohibition. They have condemned Stalin for encouraging the drug abuse in Tamil Nadu. And they have condemned the political parties who are favoring the terrorist activities of the other countries and not appreciating the anti-terrorist activity of our Honorable Prime Minister and the central ruling party. So he has told that they should be identified as anti-nationals. It is not the resolution from BJP. It is a resolution from the Traders Union, Traders Department. So I really appreciate them. And also they are encouraging the triple language. Multiple languages should be learnt. It will be useful for the traders when they go to other states. So it will be helpful for improving their economy. So these are the good resolutions which has been passed by the Trader Union today. So I appreciate their resolutions.
The Congress Uttar Pradesh chief has passed certain comments over the Rafale. How does BJP look at it?
No, they wanted to play with the Rafale by corruption. They were unable to do that. But now they want to project it as if it's a toys play. How can they say this? Are they insulting our Air Force? They are insulting our soldiers. They are insulting the safety measures taken by our country, anti-terrorist activities taken by country. They are favoring the terrorist activities of the other country. So it is disheartening. A Congress leader has told these words. If it really, the Congress leaders are patriotic, really they are anti-terrorist, they are not favoring the terrorist activity, they should condemn the words of that Congress leader. I want to know what is the comment of Sonia Gandhi, what is the comment of Rahul Gandhi or Kharge on this. I want to know what is the comment of Stalin on this, because always Stalin won't look after Tamil Nadu. He used to say look at Uttar Pradesh, look at Maharashtra. A person from your alliance partner has uttered a blunder, these words. So what is your opinion on that?
Yeah. The DMK has approached the Supreme Court yesterday. They have filed an affidavit saying that the bill was passed, the Waqf bill was passed in violation of the parliamentary rules. So how do you look at it?
No, because this is in the court, I don't want to comment on this.